Hello and welcome. My name is Mustafa Lawal and today we'll be learning how to use the text tool in CorelDRAW. So this is the text tool and the shortcut is F8 on your keyboard. So if you press F8 to activate the text tool for you, and it is used to edit paragraph and artistic text. In CorelDRAW we have a paragraph and what artistic text. So artistic text, now let's start with that one. It can be used to add short lines of text to which you can apply a wide range of effects such as drop shadows, while a paragraph text can be used for larger bodies of text that have greater formatting requirements. Let's start with artistic text now. For example, now I should select this type to now. I'll just click once and type something. I'll type something, then I can press Ctrl A to highlight everything here. I can change the font to anyone. Let me just pick this one just for the word of explanation. Then I can increase the size to like 48. Okay, I can even change the color of this text. Okay, now the same text here. Let me duplicate it, Ctrl A to highlight all. Let me type another thing entirely. Okay, tracking, turning and tracking. So after that, you can even apply a shadow like this. Select this one, click and drag, and you have something like shadow. So that's what artistic text is all about. You can easily modify it, do whatever you like. And you can, there is the option of this underline and whatsoever. So if we should activate our text here, and we go to a character. Okay, okay, if I should select this text now, I come to this place and let me search for toppings, for example. Toppings, for example. Okay. So this topping that you are seeing now, it is a what typeface, and it has a group of what fonts within it. Like we have the poppins extra light. So these are the fonts with different weights. You can see medium, enabled, extra bold. So these are the fonts. The poppins extra light, poppins thin light. These are the fonts. And poppin itself is the what the typeface. Okay, this is the typeface, and within the typeface we have different fonts within typeface. So the same thing as Montserrat. Montserrat is the typeface, and in the Montserrat typeface we have Montserrat bold, light, extra. Those are the fonts. We'll learn more on that later. So now there's one more thing that we need to learn here. There's what we call a canning, and we have a tracking. So canning is a space in between two letters. Now, like if I can increase this space now or decrease it now. So this is what we call canning. While tracking is space between the letters in the word. Like if I should double click to select this now, click and hold and drag it like this to highlight all except this one. So while on this character now, you see this thing, so that is spacing between this letter and the next one. So I can increase the tracking. So I'm tracking by increasing the spacing between all the letters now. You can see it. And if you don't want to use this place, you can simply select it to use your shape tool to, you see. So this is the tracking, and this is scanning spacing between two letters in a word. So that is it on that one. So if you still select this same tool here, you can change the color, you can change the out, you can give it an outline. You can see the outline in there. You can make it like, so we have what we call a subscript, superscript. Like if I should select this one now, I will superscript it. So you can see, and the G will go on top of this one. if I should change it to what short script, okay, it should be like that, and you can as well you make it none. Don't choose any of them, super script, short script, or what. So if you are already, if you know how to use Microsoft Word already, this is very easy for you. So this is the outline, for example. Now this is the fill and no fill. Okay, this is the outline, so you can go to the outline settings from here, outline pen, so you have ability to change the color, the corners, the lines, whether it's broken line you want or straight line or whatsoever from here. So that is the outline for that. And we have other options here. So you can just try out all these things and see which one is important to you. So to save more time now, let's quickly move forward. Still on the artistic text. Now, so to type along a path, let's assume that I want to type along this path. This is a circle, right? I want to type, but if I select my tool and start typing like, let's say, let's say, okay, yes, I just remember something now. So let me go on. Like so now, there is a shortcut to this. If I select Ctrl A to highlight everything, or you click from beginner and drag it like this to highlight everything. So let me first of all increase the size to like 24. No, it was 72, that's too much, too big. So let's say like this. So I can go to text now, and what I can what change case. This is the shortcut Shift plus F3. If you click it, it will give you. So I can just click uppercase, and everything will be in caps now. I feel like I also find that the same thing around this place, you see. So you can also change it to all caps from there. Okay, so if I want to type on this part now, I will first of all come up with a circle just like this one. Then I will select my type. I'll select this one, and I'll go to what text, fit text to part, and you have it like this. You can double click to edit the text. So you can select all the text like this. You can highlight everything and change the font, change to another font. And you can also there is a you can also what there's what you call, you can filter your font, like if it is a script you want, like handwriting, you pick it here. All the font that will show here will be that handwriting. You can change it to serif. Okay. There's what you also call sans serif. We will not learn about the terminologies later as we move on, because there are other terminologies as well, like the ascender, descender, cap height, baseline, whatsoever. So we just learn on that now. So let me check them, that it will display all the available fonts. So now let's assume that I've changed the font now and I'm done here. So I want to now bring this thing here. What will I now do? I will first of all click on this. I will remove the outline so that it doesn't expose me. Then I can then bring it here like this. Okay. If this is okay like this, I can simply click on this. I can even increase the size of this tracking. I can increase the tracking to fit in, and then I will bring another one again to put it here. Just the way I can even change the color. Okay, so nothing is added here. And we have what we call a paragraph text. So paragraph text now, if you want to work with it now, this one requires larger formatting. So you click now, instead of just single click, you click and hold and you drag it like this. I can have a what larger body of text here. So you can see, you can start typing here. So let's assume that you have your word like this. You just right click edit text, and you paste whatever you want to put. Okay, and you have it like this. So you can also change, let's say 24. Okay, so let me zoom in closely. Let me use my enter key to bring this thing down like this. Good. So this is what I wanted to show you. Okay. So I will delete some. Okay. Now, and I like how to change the font. Okay. You have to select all your text first. So there is what we call a drop cap. Select your text. Go to text. Drop cap. And you use drop cap. Select use drop cap, and you can see the preview. And you can increase the spacing. Okay. You see it here. Just allow it to load, depend on the speed of your computer. It's running slow now. So okay, and then you have it like this. Okay, that is for the drop cap. So you can add it to your text, and in paragraph text we have what we call leading, which is the distance between two lines. For example, now if I want to increase the leading of this text, now come to the paragraph instead, because I'm working with paragraph text. I can do left alignment, center alignment, justify, and whatsoever. So if I want to increase the leading now, the spacing between these two lines now, let's increase it to the like point where we notice a change. So let me increase it to like 50 now, and you will see that the spacing between the baseline of this line, the baseline, and as well as the space now compared to the way it was before. So that is leading. So another thing I would like you to know is that in case you are working in a paragraph text and you see a red line like this, it simply shows that you have an overflow of text. That is, you have too much text here and some are not in view. What do you do now? It's very simple. You see this small sign here. You see, just click on it and you see what the mouse cursor changes to. Then you go to the next page where you want to paste it. You can see so we already previewed the paragraph text for me. So click and you have the rest of the text here. So you can see there is still red line here. Okay, it's still showing the same thing. There is still red line, which means that still there is too much text here. So I will still click on this thing and I'll create a new page, come to the new page and drop it here. Okay, so you can see that it's now black, no any red sign again, no red line again. So this frame now, the color of this frame now is now black, meaning that everything is the view. You can see it very clearly that this is where it ends and sees a lot of negative space here. So see you in our next class.